Welcome back, guys. This is Beamer Merchant doing another do-it-yourself videos. Today we are working on 2002 BMW 530i. This is the E39 model. And today I decided to replace the motor mounts because I would get a slight vibration whenever I came to a stop. So I'll go ahead and share the tools, steps that I took to get this job done. In the meantime, please be sure to subscribe to our channel for future do-it-yourself videos. Let's get started. We are starting at the bottom. As you can see, I'm using a lift. I'm using this hoist to lift the engine up. Be sure to put a piece of wood so it doesn't damage your oil pan. So to remove the passenger motor mount, you have to lift the engine a bit, and you also have to take this motor mount bracket. 4 13mm bolts, this side here, that side, oops, right there, and right there, and right there. And so the top here, we said it was a 16. You also have to take this one here, which is also a 16. Remove the motor mount and install a new one. Looks something like this. You're looking at the driver's side motor mount bracket. I took the 21 millimeter bolt, and I also took the bottom 16 meter bolt. And because you see the clearance, I was actually able to pull up on this motor mount. Pulled out the motor mount between these transmission lines. Now that I replaced both motor mounts, I'm going to put underneath here, I already did, I put the 16, and I'll do the same thing right there. I'm going to tighten those 13 millimeter bolts. You can see the top of this passenger motor mount is on the bracket already. Now we need to worry about the top of the driver side bolt going evenly into the bracket. Okay, so as you can see, we were successful at aligning the top bolt, and now it's seated on the driver side bracket. Okay, we are done at the bottom. We tightened the bolts. Now we are at the top. All right, on the passenger side, I also used the wobbly number 16. Driver side, I'm gonna go underneath the math box and see if I can put it by hand. We got a wobbly here. 21. Now we're gonna install the filter box and connect the map sensor. One thing I forgot to mention, and because I was rushing, is when I lifted up the engine from the bottom, I had to remove this tab here and the tab on this side so that the fan shroud would rise and not hit the fan when the engine went up. At the same time, to get more room, I also disconnected the upper radiator hose. Okay, we're taking it for a test drive, and yes, I can definitely tell the difference when you're driving, especially like I said, when you come to a stop sign. The car doesn't vibrate as much. It feels good. Also, for example, if I were to switch to neutral, if your motor mounts are bad, you'll feel clunk. Here, I'm switching gears, and I don't feel that much of a clunk. Now you know how to replace those motor mounts. So anyhow, thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, please let us know. And if you need any BMW OEM used parts, contact us or visit our website posted below. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have an awesome day. Take care.